Tyme Wyse. Timing the world.
Hi everyone, allow us to introduce to you our programmable factory siren timer from Wyse Global Industry. Most factories need an alarm system to inform workers of certain times: beginning of shift, coffee breaks, lunch time, change of shifts, etc. These, in order that all workers follow standard factory time rather than individual times. Factories also must have alarm system in case of emergency situations. Wyse Global Industry has exactly what factories need. Introducing Programmable Timer Model TW1001. We have designed this to be a plug-and-play system with a simple and easy installation. With automatic functions, it is user-friendly and reliable. Specifically, the timer module is capable of storing 84 memory locations, 24 hours and 7 days programs. The pulse program can be set for pulse duration of 1 second to 59 seconds. With battery power reserve of 10 years, the timer will display real current time after power failure, blackout, or if the time is switched off. No need to reset the time, it will resume operation with the current time. Programming the timer is simple, with push buttons, and just following instructions of the LCD display panel on the front. The timer time accuracy is less than half a second per day with the quartz technology. The timer components is made in Germany, renowned for their quality and reliability. Other features of this model is analog clock, and override switch, which will be explained later in this presentation. For factory applications, the programmable timer is connected directly to the siren unit with a 2-wire cable. If more than one siren is required, you may loop the connection. There are various types of sirens, typically, single motor, double motor, or small type we call baby siren. The type to use depends on site conditions and sound coverage areas. Now, let's see a demonstration. We have the timer, the siren. They are connected. The timer is plugged to the power supply. With programmable timer to siren will sound at specified time that it is programmed. This module is the timer programmable module. This is the heart of the system, where you program the timer to provide the sounding of the siren at scheduled timetable. At what day, and at what time, you want to sound the siren are programmed, including the duration of the sounding. For siren, normally 5 to 8 seconds duration is enough. Programming is done using buttons at the front panel by keying the inputs and actions. Just follow and answer the instruction on the LCD display. Training and instruction manual on how to do the programming is provided. Programming is easy. Your program can be changed, or modified, or added, or deleted if there are changes in the timetable at later date. For model TW1001, at the middle of the timer unit, there is an analog clock, with hour and minute hands and second hand. This is useful for administration staff checking and monitoring the timer, that's supposed to alarm the sound at certain times. This clock is standalone, in other words, it is not directly in sync with the timer time. It needs to be manually synchronized with the timer time, possibly every 3 months or so. This can be done by manually turning the minute and second hands to the correct time, to in sync with the timer time. At the right side of the timer unit, there is a red switch. This is an override switch, which when switched to on position, it will sound the alarm for as long as it is on, only stops when the switch is switched to off. This switch overrides whatever programs, so it is used in cases of emergency situations. It is an emergency switch. Thank you for viewing and listening. Please do not hesitate to contact us or call us if you require more information or to request for demonstration. We are ever ready to assist you. Thank you.